What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Friday, July 31st, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. So, I didn't have a very good day trading today. I consider today a loss, actually. And why is that? Because I ended with a break even. I was up 9.5 points. I ended up break even. You want to check it out? Let's do it. There she blows. You can see I started off pretty good today, but at the end of the day, I lost control. So how did I lose control? I took 4 losing trades in a row. I took 3. And then I said, you know what, I'm just going to give this one more. Instead of just shutting it down after 3, which I do a 3 to 4. It used to be a solid 3. Now it's 3 to 4 losing trades in a row. If I have 4 losing trades in a row, guys, that tells me that I am not listening to myself. I'm not listening to the market. I'm trying to force things. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. And it doesn't matter how long you've been doing this, you can get yourself wrapped up if your brain is not in it. I've started walking on my foot, so maybe that's a little bit of it. It's really swollen right now. It's a fatty boombaladdy. Thinking about some things I got to do later on today. You know, what can I say? It's better than the days when I would just continue trading after that and just drive that into the ground. So am I proud of losing 9.5 points? I can't say yes, but what I can say is that I'm proud of stopping after those 9.5 points were gone. Instead of continuing saying, you know what, I can do this. I could grab it. I'm just going to make it happen. It doesn't work that way, y'all. Oh, you want to know what today's card was? There you go. Difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. That tells me that, even though I didn't do well today, I'm grateful. Not every day is going to be light and easy. Some of them are going to be difficult, and I can use today to better my trading in the future. Like, Lindsay, you need to pay attention to when you're not paying attention. You need to pay attention to when you're forcing things. I'm very thankful that I decided to stop after the 4th losing trade instead of trying to continue to push it. And to show you that, guys, I'm human. So, this is a difficult road, and it will lead to a beautiful destination. So for that, I am grateful. All right, guys, if you want to watch it, be my guest. It is the 31st of July, which means it is our last day of the 30% lifetime discount you can use on that 75 Freedom account. Remember, that 75 Freedom account calculates your closed trades at the end of the day. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy the show. Alrighty, dighty. Okay, got my new desk kicking here. I think the sound is set up properly. Just let's look at what happened or what's happening today. Okay. So we're starting to cross that bottom Bollinger Band. I pulled all the way back up. A little bit of an anticipation there. Reversal bar pushing back down. We still have this floor area. If it gets back below here, then I'll really be looking at more down, and usually it has a lot of strength behind that kind of thing. But we can see, it's still early in the day. It's 9:41. So we'll have to see what it does. We're going to wait a moment. It's right near the low, but I do anticipate this to push down. Okay. Yep. Made another little space right here. Like, here's another one right here, but it's going too fast now. This is another great one right in here. Little reversal bar, very weak pullback. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave this one back up in here. Pull this one down just a little bit. These BB's getting a little bit white and reaching that low, but we do have strength to go down. It just could pop back some. So I want to just be aware of what's going on. 41.81, yeah, see that right there? 41.81 kind of popping up a little bit more there. Yeah, okay. Okay, I have a much deeper pullback than I was anticipating or prepared to hold for. Had a little bit of an argument in my head with a couple of these trades. So, tells me that maybe I should call it early day on a Friday. It's 10:20. I do want to give this the full hour today, which is 20 more minutes. Hitting close. I think I was a little hasty on that. See if this will pull back. Okay. Ooh, did I jump the gun just a little bit? Yes. Okay. I like the way this is popping up. It just wasn't patient enough for that deeper pullback, y'all. We're still right at this area, but it does show more reasons to break through it. It's weak, it's flat, but we are at the lower pivot. Let's look at that 41.81. I don't know why I'm trying to force this to go to the upside. This thing is about to drop. Okay, it's an hour. You went from being in the positive. Let's look at this. I'm not so proud of myself today. Four losing trades in a row puts me at a break even. Not my proudest moment, but it is what it is, okay? Okay. Not my best performance. Yeah. And I have a rule. It's 3 losing trades in a row, and I consider one more. I considered my 4th, and that tells me that my brain is trying to make things happen. I could have ended my day very, very quickly with 9.5 points. I actually considered it, but I wanted to end on a different note. So let's just say that, I let my ego get the better of me. It happens. What were you thinking, Liz? You really just were going against all the strength here. And, I have a break even, but I would really say that's a loss for the day. because that's commissions down, right? So that's 12 entries, right? And that is commissions down for the day. So what are we going to do? We going to cry about this day? Nah. I've had some really good days recently. And to end with a break even with 4 losses in a row, it's not typical of me, but hey, you know what? I'm human. It happens. So I'm just going to take it for what it is. I'm going to say, Lindsay, you were fighting some strength. Your head was definitely in other places. And, it showed in your performance, but I cannot be mad at myself. I'm just going to take a deep breath, move on with the day, and go and continue on the things that I have to work on today. On that note, I hope everybody has a fabulous Friday. Today is the 31st. We want to make sure it's the last day of that 30% lifetime discount. Don't forget to check out that 75 Freedom account. So hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. And I hope you had a little more self-control than I did today, because apparently I did not. Maybe it's because my foot hurts. I don't know. But I'm just going to be okay with the fact that I took a break even minus commissions today. And we're just going to call that a day. So hope everybody has a wonderful Friday and a wonderful weekend. And as always, I'm going to look forward to catching you back on that profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.